Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get Instagram on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to get or install Instagram on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You can do this very easily by opening the App Store in your iPhone, or you can directly search here for App Store if you can't find it on your home screen. Search for App Store here and just open your App Store by tapping on App Store icon. In App Store, you just have to tap on the search option in the bottom right. And here you have to simply search for Instagram, and you just have to look for Instagram app. So once you find, you just have to tap on the get option here and your Instagram will be started installation. So here I have already downloaded my Instagram app. So in this way, you can easily get or install Instagram app on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.